Inside of the sail panel is a piece of top fabric glued to the frame. We must pull it loose because it covers two screws that we need to remove. Rip the top loose from the bow listings and remove it from the car. Mark the center of the rear of the top and the rear bow. Apply contact cement to the top tabs and the ends of the header bow. The two seams in the top will sometimes be so stiff that they will pull loose from the contact adhesive. If that's the case with your top, hold the seams in place with a pair of spring clamps until the adhesive has set. Close the top and latch it. It's normal for the top to be very hard to close at first. Leave it latched for 2 weeks while its stress relieves, and it will work normally after that. If you've followed the instructions carefully and exercised patience, your top should look like this. The tool list for this job is pretty common, and they should all be found in the average do-it-yourselfer toolbox.